Have you ever stopped to think about the journey behind a simple pair of leather shoes? Something we wear every day, often without a second thought. Yet behind it lies a long, carefully controlled industrial process. Today, we take you deep inside a modern leather shoe manufacturing factory. This is a complete factory inside journey, from raw leather processing to the final polished product ready for shipment. This story is about precision, technology, skilled labor, and the systems that bring everything together. Every manufacturing process begins with preparation. Inside the factory compound, raw materials are received under strict quality control procedures. Before any production begins, trained staff inspect incoming materials to ensure they meet factory standards. Documentation is verified, storage conditions are checked, and materials are moved to designated zones. At the same time, the factory floor is prepared. Workers put on protective equipment, machines are powered up, and every workstation is cleaned and calibrated. This stage may seem invisible, but it is one of the most important parts of the process. Without proper preparation, consistency and quality cannot be maintained. Leather is the foundation of every high-quality shoe. Inside the leather processing section, raw hides are transformed into durable, flexible material suitable for footwear. This transformation does not happen instantly. It requires time, chemistry, precision, and experience. Large industrial drums, stainless steel tanks, and automated systems are used to control every variable, from temperature to processing time. Every step is monitored carefully to ensure the leather develops the right strength, softness, and longevity. The first stage of leather processing focuses on cleaning and rehydration. Hides are placed inside large, rotating drums filled with water. These drums slowly turn, allowing impurities to be removed evenly. This process restores moisture and prepares the material for further treatment. Operators continuously monitor water levels, drum speed, and processing duration. Consistency here is critical. Uneven soaking can affect the entire batch. Once cleaned, the hides move through a series of controlled treatments designed to stabilize the material. These processes help remove unwanted elements and prepare the leather for tanning. Every chemical used is carefully measured and labeled. Safety protocols are strictly followed. Workers operate in well-ventilated areas, and automated systems reduce human exposure. At this stage, the leather begins to change, becoming cleaner, stronger, and more uniform. Tanning is one of the most critical steps in the entire process. Without tanning, leather would decay over time. Inside massive rotating drums, tanning agents are applied using precise formulas. Different tanning methods are selected depending on the final shoe design and performance requirements. The drums rotate slowly for hours, allowing the leather fibers to bond and stabilize. Temperature and timing are closely controlled. When tanning is complete, the leather has gained durability, flexibility, and resistance, essential qualities for footwear. After tanning, excess moisture must be removed. Hydraulic presses squeeze the leather evenly, followed by controlled drying. Drying rooms maintain consistent airflow and temperature. This prevents cracking or uneven shrinkage. Once dried, the leather passes through softening machines that restore flexibility. Slow mechanical movement ensures the leather remains comfortable while retaining strength. At this point, the material truly begins to feel like finished leather. Now comes the visual transformation. In the finishing section, leather is colored and treated according to design specifications. Some leathers receive rich, deep tones. Others are kept natural or given a matte finish. Spray booths, rollers, and hand-applied techniques are used depending on the desired result. Lighting is carefully controlled to ensure color accuracy. Each batch is matched against reference samples to maintain consistency. Before the leather moves forward, it undergoes strict quality inspection. Teams examine each piece for surface defects, thickness consistency, and texture. Any leather that does not meet standards is separated. This inspection ensures that only premium material enters the shoemaking line. Quality control at this stage prevents future issues and maintains brand reputation. With approved leather ready, the shoe manufacturing process begins. Inside the design section, shoe models are planned based on market demand, comfort requirements, and material characteristics. Patterns are created digitally and physically. Each pattern is designed to maximize leather usage while maintaining structural integrity. This stage combines creativity with engineering precision. Leather sheets are laid flat on cutting tables. Patterns are carefully positioned to minimize waste. Automated cutting machines slice through the leather with extreme accuracy. For delicate areas, skilled workers make final adjustments by hand. Every cut must be perfect. There's little room for error. Cut pieces are transferred to the stitching section. Here, industrial sewing machines assembled the shoe uppers. Strong threads, precise tension, and consistent spacing ensure durability. Linings, padding, and reinforcements are added to enhance comfort. Eyelets and lace holes are punched with exact alignment. This stage defines both the strength and appearance of the shoe. Once stitched, the upper is stretched over a shoe last, a mold that gives the shoe its final shape. This process ensures proper fit, structure, and balance. The leather is carefully adjusted to avoid wrinkles or tension points. Shaping is both a mechanical and manual skill, refined through experience. Soles are produced separately using leather, rubber, or composite materials. Once ready, adhesive is applied with precision. Heat press machines bond the sole to the upper permanently. This connection must withstand pressure, movement, and time. After bonding, edges are trimmed and smoothed for a clean finish. In the finishing section, shoes are refined visually and structurally. Polishing wheels bring out the leather shine. Brushing removes residue and highlights texture. Laces, logos, and accessories are added carefully. Every detail contributes to the final product. Before approval, shoes undergo testing. Size, balance, and comfort are checked. Some pairs are tested on walking ramps to simulate real-world use. Only shoes that pass all inspections are approved for packaging. Approved shoes move to the packaging line. Each pair is placed inside branded boxes with care instructions and protective materials. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and scanned. Finished products are stored in the warehouse, ready for distribution. From the warehouse, shipments are prepared for delivery. Trucks are loaded according to logistics schedules. From here, the shoes travel to retailers and customers around the world. This marks the final step of a long industrial journey.